Okay, so to create your Google site, first you're gonna search it up and then it's gonna take you to this site most probably. So then you can go to create, and this is the old site, so you're gonna pick the new one, which is the recommended one, and it's gonna take you to like your own new site. And from here, there are a ton of different options that you can choose from that like can make your page look better. So first of all, you can add a ton of text boxes so that like when your readers come in to view your page, they'll understand what it's about and like what's your purpose, like basically. And you can add a ton of images as well. You can add things from your drive like Google Sites, Docs, videos, anything. And here there are a ton of different layouts. My favorite one personally is this one, which is where you add a picture, then text, and then picture, then text. But there are also other ones here. And as for here, there are a ton of different options that not many websites will probably offer. First of all, you can add a table of contents so that your readers are not really confused or lost. You can add an image carousel, which is very, very appealing to any of your readers, and it's gonna just make them more like captivated. And here this is a button where you can add it, and it'll like if they press on it, it'll take them to a certain page in your website. And you can add dividers to make it more clear. You can add a YouTube link as well. You can connect it to your Google Calendar. You can like to certain dates. You can add a location from Google Maps and like the basics of Google Drive, such as docs, slides, sheets, and all of this. And as for the pages, so for example, I want to add a page, so you can either have it as a link or you can have it as a new page. If I want it as a new page, I'll type in writing, and then I'll press done. And then when I get it here, then I have my two pages at the top, right? So for example, if I have a lot of pages and I want to like find something, I can just type it in here and it's gonna show up. And as for the layout of my actual page, so there are not many themes, but there are a lot of things you can change in them, which is really nice. So for example, if I choose this one, I can change the color of this part, which is really nice. So I'll maybe pick like the green. And then for each theme, there are three different fonts you can choose from. So this is the modern font. I'm gonna choose the bold. Here it changed. It's really nice. And in some cases, you may not like the background, therefore, you can change it. So here, I can press change image and I can change the background pictures to make it seem like more fascinating, I guess. And at the top left, you can enter your site name, and also something really cool is you can add a logo to your site itself. And here is an example of a finished, not a finished product, but close to being finished. Here, I changed the background to make it like a picture, and I have my title. I didn't add the logo here yet, but I hopefully will. I chose the text that the layout I told you about, which is the picture text, and here I have all of my pages. And if there's anything I'd like to undo, then I'll press here, and if there's anything I'd like to redo, I'll press here. And if I want to see how it'll look like before I publish it to all my like to my audience, I'll go to preview, and then not only does it show you how it's going to look like to people on a laptop, but you can also see a tablet and a phone, which is really cool. So you can like see it from all different perspectives. And once I feel like I'm very pleased with it, then I'll just press publish. And I can also before I publish it, I can share it with other people and adjust. Like there are so many things I can adjust from here, and then I'll just press publish.